Hey guys, welcome to my video tutorial on finding the other endpoint. Alright, so let's get started. This is number 18, 19, and 20 from the homework. I'm going to do number 18 for you, and then so hopefully that clears up any issues with this topic, okay? Alright, so let's begin. So the directions here are that you're given an endpoint, and then you're also given a midpoint. So what they're asking for is for the other endpoint. Okay, so that's what they're asking for. So I'm going to label this x sub 2 and then y sub 2. All right. So we know the following. We know one endpoint is 4, 6. So let's say that is point A. All right. So 4 represents x sub 1 and then 6 represents y sub 1. Okay. And our midpoint now is 7, 11. All right. So what do we know is that the midpoint is calculated as x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2, comma y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. And my midpoint is equivalent to 7, 11. This means that if I take this formula, I'm going to end up with this number. And if I take this formula, I'm going to end up with this number. So let's write that down. If I take the x sub 1 plus x sub 2 and I divide it by 2, I'm going to end up with a 7. Now what do I know? I know that x sub 1 is equivalent to 4. So I'm going to write that in place of x sub 1. Now I can solve for this x sub 2 by getting rid of the 4 and by getting rid of this 2. I have to get rid of the 2 first because everything is being divided by 2. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. That gets rid of this 2 and then this 2 in the denominator. What I am left with is 4 plus x sub 2. On the left side and on the right side, I have positive 14. Now I just have to subtract 4 from both sides. So x sub 2 becomes 10. All right, so I need to remember that. Okay, now the second part. So the second part is y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2 is equal to 11. All right, same idea as I had done with the x's. I'm going to replace what I know. And I know that y sub 1 was 6. And now I'm going to multiply both sides by 2 so I can get rid of the denominator. And I have 6 plus y sub 2 equals 22. Okay, and now we subtract 6 from both sides. And now we have y sub 2 equals 16. All right, so this means that the other endpoint that they're looking for is 10, 16. Hope that clears it all up for you. Thank you for watching.